Now we are ready to actually add something on the Java graphics. That is, what we need to do is we need to add onto the body of the window. Body of the window in Java graphics is called content pane. So what you do is window dot get content pane, and the content pane is of a container type. Let's call it CPS content pane. Container is from library. Click on that. Click on yellow light bulb. And then it is from Java AWT package. So choose the second one. And the container is imported and is recognized. Now onto the container we can add something for the body of the window to display. So there we can add something like this new J text field is a one single line text message is a J text field and then hello world like that. J text field is from the library as well. Click on the name, click on the yellow light bulb. Java X swing is there. So there, so we have added a hello world. Now let's run and see what happens. Hello world shows up. So you can do something like that, and then also let's do cp add new J button is for button. Click on me there, and J button is also from the library Java X swing there. So we have a text field and the button. If I run it now, click on me only shows up, and then text field does not show up. So if you add onto the content pane, only the last one shows up because the previous ones are hidden. So we need to do something else to display more than one thing on the content pane. That is, we need to create some container which can hold multiple objects. So for that purpose, we have a JPanel class there. So panel, new JPanel there. For this lesson, I'm not going to explain details of those ones, so I want you to just type carefully to repeat to me. So JPanel is from Java X Swing package as well, so install that. And then let me delete those two, and then cp content pane add panel JPanel object there, and then onto the JPanel you can add as many components as you like. So panel is like a general purpose container. Panel add, now I create a new J text field, hello world, and then panel add new J button, click on me and the like. So and now as I run it, you can see text field and the button, those are added there. So onto the panel, it's just like a bucket. You can put as many graphic components as you like, and then that one is a part of the body of the window on the content pane. So if I do another button, copy and paste, J button, sign up or whatever you like, and then J text field, add another line. Then as you run it, all of those shows up in the content pane.